everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a makeup look pretty much using just affordable products. So I'm going to be dabbling into a couple of websites that I got products from that are pretty affordable, and also, you know, drugstore products as usual. So right now, obviously I have no makeup on. It's a Saturday morning and I had my breakfast. I, did my little morning routine, and now it's time to slap on a face and venture out into the world. What am I doing today? I have no idea. Well, actually I do know, but anyways, first step is to put on a face, put some makeup on, and show you guys a bunch of affordable drugstore and or online products that you can purchase if you wish. Yeah, so let's get started. So per usual, I'm starting off with my AOA brow sculpting pencil. And the thing about this brow pencil that I really like is that it has a spoolie on one end, which is very nice. I feel like, especially for my brows, I mean, of course, everyone is different, but for me, having a spoolie is an essential thing to have when it comes to doing my brows. So another great thing about this product is that the product itself, and I know some people may or may not agree with what I'm saying, but basically this product is a little bit more of a waxier substance, if you will. So it's not like creamy. It has a bit of creamy product in it, but it has, it's leaning more towards the waxier side, and honestly I kind of like it because it helps make my brow hair stay in place. The waxiness helps the brow hair, stay where I want it to stay, whereas a creamy product, although it's very nice, I love me some creamy brow products, it doesn't help my brow hair stay in place. And you guys all know my brow hair is like a lion's mane. I mean, it can get pretty ridiculous. I'm not even kidding. So next up, we have our Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. Just gonna place that on my eyes. And you guys should know that this is, it's not like a bad eye primer in my opinion. It's an eye primer and it's nice, but initially, to be quite honest, I did not like it, but that's because I feel like I wasn't using it the way it was supposed to be used. So after trying it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, etc., etc., I realized that when you put this eye primer on, you don't want to go in with your eyeshadow like right away. You want to kind of let it sit on your eyes and kind of let it set a little bit. That way it is working at its best. So since I just placed on the eye primer, I'm gonna let it sit a little bit and let it dry down just a bit and then go in with my eyeshadow. Alright, so for the eyeshadow, I picked it up from the AOA Miss website, or Miss AOA website, and this is the Amuse Cosmetics. As you guys can tell, this eyeshadow palette is basically all warm tone eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadow shadows. Words. Looking for words on a Saturday morning. Not really there yet. Anyways, I think I need like a second or third cup of coffee. But, so this eyeshadow palette is, as you guys can tell, all warm tones. It has 9 shadows in it. And for me personally, I just gravitate towards warm tones a lot. I mean, a bunch of my eyeshadow palettes that I do own are honestly all warm tones. There are a couple of palettes that I have that have like bright, vibrant colors, but this one in particular is a warm tone eyeshadow palette. You can't go wrong with it. So yeah, let's dive in and see how this works. You guys, honestly, I don't even know why I said let's dive in and see how it works. To be quite frank, I've already been using this palette. I don't know if you can tell through the camera or not, but I've been using it already, and honestly, I do like it a lot, so that's like, I guess, spoiler alert. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this brush right here, and these eyeshadow does not have any names to it, so we'll be diving into this shade, and then I'm going to just sweep that all over my eyelid. You guys, by the way, I know my hair is a mess, so, yeah, just kind of ignore what my hair looks like. We are not talking about my hair, so yeah, alright. Alright, so next I'll be diving into this shade right here, and sweeping that on the eye eyeshadow, hold on, and sweeping that on the eye socket, alright? So starting from the outer corner and then sweeping it back and forth with a very light hand. Are you guys noticing the pigmentation on this shadow? I mean, yeah, to be quite honest, it's not like, bam, in your face, really rich, but I mean, it's like subtle, and sometimes for me, I kind of like that subtleness. Sometimes I don't want my shadow to be like in your face, like, you know, the moment you apply it, too much color. You know what I mean? Sometimes I like it when it's a little bit more subtle looking. So, but then there are times I do love it when it's like in your face. I want all the color and pigmentation. Give it to me. Yes, yes. But sometimes I don't. It just depends on what look I'm going for. And this is a perfect look for me. I like it. The next color I'll be picking up is this shade right here. And this time I'm focusing it more on the outer corner, but I am very lightly or slightly dragging it towards the inner corner. And for me to focus it on the outer corner, of course, I start at the outer corner and then I drag it in. So now taking a small little brush, I'll be picking up this shade right here, starting from the outer corner and again dragging it in. And because the brush is a much smaller brush, you can still see, like, when you place on the eyeshadow, you can still see the different work that you did behind that, if that makes sense. It's not, like, covering up all the work you just finished. In the palette, they do have a couple of shimmer colors in here, so I'm going to pick one up using my finger. I'll be using that shade right there, and pretty much just apply it to the inner corners of my eyes. So, the shimmers in this palette is not really quite intense. When it comes to, like, the matte shadows, I don't really mind it being, like, you know, not, like, super pigmented, not strong intensity when I first apply it. But for the shimmers, I would kind of like it to be a little bit more intense than what it's giving me. It's not bad, to be honest. I mean, I have it on right now, but I feel like even with the camera, the lighting, or just in real life, I mean, you can see the shimmer. It's not like a, hello, I got shimmer on my eye. You know what I mean? So, yeah, the shimmer it's nice, but that's all it is, just nice. I don't really love it, but it does the job. You can see the shimmer, but it's not like shimmer. Does that make sense? So, with that said, I feel like my eyes do need a little bit of shimmer color in it. So, I'll be picking up my ColourPop in Amaze. And I'll be placing that right on top of that shimmer color I placed on earlier. I'm using my fingers to apply this. Look at that difference. Yeah, that definitely just kind of like, still subtle, still natural, which is what I'm looking for, or not looking for, which is what I'm going for. But a nice little oomph in my look. I feel like ColourPop definitely is a really nice, really great, affordable brand. So, I mean, because of that, I just had to throw them in this video. Using that ColourPop, for me personally, definitely did the trick. Alright, you guys. So, next I have this eyeliner, which is the next step to my makeup look. And I'll be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Just really quickly, you guys, the Epic Ink Liner is definitely one of my really favorite eyeliners. I mean, I feel like every time I go out to buy some new makeup, I always go back and pick up a couple of new NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. It just does the job. It performs nicely. And the tip is not a felt tip pencil. It's actually more of like a pointy brush, if you will, which is what I really love about it. I'm not like a huge fan of felt tip eyeliners. I mean, I don't hate them, but you know, I prefer a more of a brush, which is what the NYX Epic Ink Liner exactly is. So, and when the ink deposits out, it just does a nice job. It's, you know, it's amazing, honestly. I mean, you have to let it kind of like sit and dry a little bit, because then it might kind of run a little bit, but other than that, it's like not a big deal to me, and honestly, I haven't had any issues with it. So yeah, NYX Epic Ink Liner. Go to like Walmart, go to like Walmart, or I don't know, Rite Aid, CVS, Target, pick a place. I'm sure you can find it, you know. very affordable. Alright, so for my lashes, I know I said this video is an affordable makeup brand video, but to be quite honest, this one, I can't really, I can't, to be honest, I can't. So for my lashes, to curl them, I'll be using the Shiseido Lash Curler. And if you guys watched my last video, which I will link down below, if I remember to, I should when I'm editing, but link down below or put it up on the screen somewhere, why I have to, honestly have to use this lash curler. So, and then for my lashes, I know you guys, it's not affordable, but, it's just what I've been using lately, and I really don't want to use any other mascara, so forgive me. So I'll be using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. You guys, I had to go downstairs and get me some green tea because, I don't know, my throat and my body just feels kind of cold right now. So, it is, winter time. So, got me some green tea in this cute little giraffe mug. So, yeah. Green tea. I love green tea. So, where were we? Alright, so we have our lashes done. If you want, you can pick up some really affordable lashes, whether it's the drugstore or on Miss AOA website. But for me, I think I'm just gonna go with no lashes. Just don't feel like putting on lashes right now. So yeah, no lashes, just mascara by itself. Alright, so I don't have an affordable concealer right now because I have to pick some up. But a really nice affordable concealer is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. But as you guys can tell, this has pretty much nothing in it, so I can't use it right now. So I'll be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm not doing any foundation on my face, just concealer. And I'm going to place that on the under part of my eyes. And then I'm going to use my fingers to kind of blend out the concealer a little bit. And blend the rest of it out with a flat brush. So I went ahead and got my Tarte Shape Tape and placed some on my forehead, on my chin, my nose, and just kind of brighten up my face a little bit. And yeah, I used my little Morphe sponge for that. So Tarte Shape Tape, again, I guess it's not affordable, but I did mention to you guys an affordable brand, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind. So now I'm going to do a little bit of bronzing action, and of course, everyone's cult favorite, the Butter Bronzer. For the blush, I'll be going in with the Milani in Romantic Rose 01. Just a side note, you guys, Milani makes, in my opinion, one of the best blushes out there. They make such great blushes. I have this one, I have their the rose gold one, I have their Coral Cove one. I love it. And it makes my face look nice and youthful and lively. Yeah, so. Alright, so for my highlight, I'll be going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Air. To finish it off, I'll be taking the NYX Lingerie Glitter Lippy. And then to just set it all in place, I'll be taking my Essence HD Hydra Primer Spray with a little bit of coconut water infused. You guys, that is pretty much it for the video. This is the final look using only or almost only all affordable brands. And this is what I came up with. A nice little natural look. You still got your nice glow using that Wet n Wild highlighter. You got your nice bronze look going on using everyone's favorite Butter Bronzer. You got the, a nice natural looking makeup look, if you will. I like it. I love it. It's amazing. So this is what I got going on. Everything I used, if you have any questions about it, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe down below. If you love videos like this, then go ahead and click that like button and give it a big thumbs up. And of course, go ahead and follow me on my social platforms. Links, again, are down below. Scroll down. Oh, and by the way, this week is... I think this video, when I post it, will be the last video for the month of January, which means February is coming up, and a new giveaway will be announced during that month. So, that means the giveaway video that I posted up earlier in January will be, closing very soon. So if you haven't entered already, go ahead and go over there, watch the video, see how to enter, and perhaps you may be the winner. So I do have a couple of giveaways I still have to send out. I'm sorry if I contacted you and I haven't really sent out the products yet. I apologize. I've just been really busy, but I will be sending them out, so be on the lookout. And that is pretty much it, guys. And anything else I want to tell you guys, I have no idea. If I have any more information, I will list it down below in the description box. But other than that, hope you guys have a good one. Bye!